Hello, my name is Abhav.
And my name is Krishna Munga.
We are the 10th graders from DC Model Senior Secondary School, Firozpur, Kent. And this is our submission for ATA Marathon 2021. So without wasting any time, let's go.
Oh, it's a sunny day. Oh no, what happened? Our Activa stopped in between. What should we do now? Should I try calling my mother? Oh no, she is busy with her work. What should we do now? I think we need to drag our Activa to the nearest repair shop. It's a very hard working task. It's very
Yes, you might have probably been in this situation. The same happened with me when me and my grandfather were going to our farmhouse and our vehicle broke down in between. We were around 11 kilometers away from our home, but there was no one to help us because we were very far away from our home. So we had to travel 3 kilometers away from that place to the nearby repair shop, and that was a really exhausting and a tiring experience. So this was the point when we realized that this was a major problem that needs to be solved. So being innovators, we searched for some existing solutions in the market that could solve our problem. But to our surprise, there was no such solution in the market that was addressing this problem. So we grabbed this opportunity and decided to work on this problem and make a solution for it. Let's finally come to the solution of this problem. We present you the Gekto, a multi-purpose portable motorized roller for your two-wheelers which can help you move your vehicle in case of any emergency if your vehicle breaks down in between during traveling for any reason. So without waiting further, let's move directly to the working of this project. First, let's have a look on our model in a 2D form. So come on. Here we have a drawing of our model in which there is a broke down scooter which is in an emergency, has broke down in between while traveling, and below there are our Gekto rollers which is our main product. So these Gekto roller consist of a motor and a roller. So these are foldable, and in an emergency you can take them out and put under your Activas or any two-wheelers tire. So in an emergency they will help your vehicle move to any desired place you want. Here we have the main rollers which are of 80 mm. These rollers, the front roller is free and the back rollers are moved using a pulley system. The driver pulley is attached to the gearbox and it rotates the main driven pulley. So this is the whole system. These kind of two rollers will attach to both of the tires of a two-wheeler. It's me, Vaibhav, and I am responsible for all the mechanical engineering of this project and 3D designing of this product.
Me, Krishna, and I am responsible for the research work of this project.
So we hope you liked our project submission, and thank you.
Thank you.